Hey you, it's me Marisha and I'm back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my brows using a pencil. I am going to be taking you guys from this to that. So let's go ahead and get into it. I like to start at the bottom of my brow and I am light-handed and I just graze the bottom moving forward to the front of the brow, and then I go to the top middle of the brow and I swipe back and create a tail. I don't have a tail on my eyebrows, and then so I fill that in slightly. Now I'm not going to color my eyebrow in completely because I'm going to follow up using a spoolie. So basically right now all we doing is outlining our brows and creating the brow that we want. So this here tool is a spoolie and I'm taking it and blending out those lines. I'm using those lines for product. So what I'm doing is those lines I created, I'm taking it and I'm spreading product throughout my brows. That way the brow has a natural feeling look and not so waxy and so dark. Backing up to show you guys what's going on so far, taking that pencil and I'm going to literally with a light hand, color in any skin that I see. So if I see skin, I color it in, then I take my spoolie and spread the product so it's not waxy or blotchy looking, like, you know, filled in here but not filled in there. Then we're going in with the concealer and we're going to outline the brows. This right here, the concealer, is really what makes the brow pop. It gives you that I just got my eyebrows done look. And if you mess up or if you feel like your eyebrows is too thick, the concealer will save your life. It will help you make your eyebrows thinner rather than thick if you do make them too thick. So just as I did on the bottom, I am going to outline my brows on the top and basically make them look more cleaner, more sharper. And when you're doing your brows, relax. Try not to be tense. It'll make it hard on yourself. So relax when you're doing this. Take your time. It's just like drawing a heart, a circle, or anything else. It takes practice. But my main biggest tip would be to relax while doing your brows. Now I'm going to be taking a small round flat brush and blend out that concealer all around my brow. And I'm not heavy-handed as I do this part either because I don't want that concealer to mesh in with the brow that I've made. So I'm just doing it light, gentle, you know. Then taking my spoolie and going back in on the beginning of my brow and filling it in just a little bit, using the residue that is on there. I didn't add any product. It's just so it doesn't look so blank. And then I'll go back in following up with this loose setting powder, only at the beginning of my brow, and then dusting back into the rest of the brow. This helps with that fadeaway look. Not only that, but it keeps your brow from looking like you drew it on. It gives it more of a natural finish. And then so I blend that out really good. So this here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys understood this tutorial and learned something from it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.